Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Fellow, a tool designed to completely change how teams handle meetings. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, what Fellow is, what it is used for, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally, 3 alternatives if this isn't the perfect fit for you. So let's get started. Fellow is an AI-powered meeting assistant and note-taking tool that helps individuals and teams capture, organize, and act on what happens in meetings before, during, and after the call. Instead of manually writing everything down, Fellow records meetings, transcribes conversations, and then uses AI to generate clear summaries and action items. What makes Fellow different from traditional note apps is that it's not just focused on writing notes, it's focused on turning conversations into outcomes. The idea is simple. You stay present in the meeting and Fellow takes care of remembering everything for you. This makes Fellow especially appealing for managers, remote teams, sales teams, and anyone who spends a large part of their workday in meetings. It's designed to work seamlessly with popular video conferencing tools, and meeting content is all stored in one organized, searchable workspace. Now, let us talk about the main features of Fellow. AI meeting recording and transcription. One of Fellow's core features is automatic meeting recording and transcription. Once connected to your meeting platform, Fellow captures the conversation in real time. And after the meeting ends, you get a full transcript along with a concise AI-generated summary that highlights key talking points, decisions made, and next steps. AI-generated summaries and action items. Beyond transcription, Fellow's real value comes from how it interprets meetings. AI pulls out action items, responsibilities, and important decisions. This helps ensure nothing falls through the cracks, especially when multiple people are involved and follow-ups matter. This feature is particularly useful for managers and team leads who need clarity on who is doing what after a meeting. Ask Fellow, AI chat for meetings. Another standout feature is something called Ask Fellow. This allows you to ask questions about past meetings in plain language. For example, you can ask what decisions were made in a meeting last week or what action items were assigned to a specific person. Instead of searching through old notes or transcripts, you get direct answers, which becomes incredibly powerful as your meeting history grows. Centralized meeting library. All your meetings, your notes, summaries, and recordings are stored in a centralized library. This makes it easy to search past discussions, share notes with teammates, and maintain continuity across projects. Teams can collaborate more efficiently because everyone has access to the same source of truth. No more, "I don't remember that being discussed" moments. Meeting agendas and workflow integrations. Fellow also supports meeting agendas, helping teams prepare before meetings even start. And in addition, it integrates with popular productivity tools like project management apps and platforms and CRMs. This means meeting insights can automatically flow into your workflows, reducing manual data entry and improving follow-through. Privacy and security. Privacy is a major focus for Fellow. The platform emphasizes secure data handling, enterprise-grade encryption, and compliance with major data protection standards. Importantly, meeting data is not used to train AI models, which is a growing concern with many AI tools today. For teams dealing with sensitive information, this focus on security can be a major deciding factor. What is the pricing like? For individuals, there's a free plan at $0 per user per month and a solo plan at $19 per month for a team of 1. And for businesses and teams, there's also a free plan and a team plan for small teams at $7 per user per month when billed annually, for businesses at $15 per user per month, and for enterprise at $25 per user per month when billed annually. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Fellow? Let's start with the pros. AI-powered meeting summaries and action items are available. There's a centralized and searchable meeting library. There are strong integrations with popular work tools. It's excellent for teams and meeting-heavy roles, and there is strong privacy and security focus. How about the cons? It can get expensive as the teams grow, and there are some advanced features that are locked behind higher tier plans. The best value of Fellow is for frequent meeting users, not casual note takers. So, is Fellow the best note-taking tool? Well, the answer depends on how you work. If your day is filled with meetings, especially team meetings, Fellow is one of the most powerful AI meeting assistants available today. It doesn't just capture what was said, it turns conversations into clear summaries, action items, and follow-ups that actually move work forward. However, if you're mostly looking for a personal note-taking app or a simple place to jot down ideas, then Fellow may be more than you need, and potentially more expensive than simpler alternatives. And that's it on the review of Fellow. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Otter, Notion AI, and Fireflies. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.